back to another episode of Model Car Memories. I've got another car picked out to clean and slight repair. It's a 1958 Impala. A little bit of customization on it, and my stepdad did. The only thing that I can tell that's actually broken on here are the two aerial antennas on the back, and I think I have spares of those. But as you can see, it's just a plain model. Don't see manufacturer in there on there just yet. No engine in it. But you got the front there. He did a little detailing on the emblem there, and then he did some on the side. Of course, the interior's got a red interior with some black accents on it in there. So, and as always, I like to start with a brush here. Just get continue brushing off a lot of the dirt. This one, I don't think I'm gonna take this one apart since it is a convertible. There's really no need to take it apart. A lot of times when I do these screws, they've just been in there so long, things start to break. So the least amount of stuff that breaks will be the better. So I'm going to continue brushing this off, and then also I'll use the this little detailing goo, gel, whatever, try to get some of the other dust off, and then I'll start with the cotton swabs and clean it all out. Alright, as you can see, I got it cleaned up here. Where the aerials used to be on the back, I cleaned this one up. I broke the what was left of the other one off on that one. I found two matching ones in my spare parts bin, and I just took a small drill bit, attached it to the X-Acto handle to open the hole back up on that one. So here, put a dab of glue. Now this one aerial, I've got the it's got the little tab on it, so that'll fit in there good. But the other one that I found that matched, looks like it fell off of another car, so I'm just gonna have to sit that one on and hold it for a while. I think the thing's smooth enough. That's going to have to set in place under the same footprint there. So hopefully that looks like it's holding up on its own right there. Adjust the camera a little bit, and there you have it. I did notice while I was cleaning, I didn't paint the outside of this car. This is just a regular molded color. And you can see up here and here where he glued the interior into the car over the years, those spots have been deformed where the glue was on. It's got some scratches on the side right here that didn't want to come out. The front bumper, the chrome's coming off of it a little bit. And when I was cleaning, a black stripe here in the trim work looks like it's painted, but it had a small film of something that came off as if it was a decal. But that definitely looks painted on there and not a decal. The only decals were the flames here on the front. So there you have it, the 1958 Chevy Impala. If you've been watching for a while, you kind of noticed the same theme. About a quarter of these kits seem to be Impalas. My stepdad was a big Impala fan. He had a 65 in Tahitian turquoise, and then he had a 70 Impala custom, and that was just two-door hardtop with a 400 cubic inch engine on it. We just sold that a couple years ago. I'd been sitting for a while, but yeah, a big Impala fan. You can see with all the models. But like I said, make sure you like the video, hit subscribe to the page if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, and then I'll post some up-close photos on the Instagram page for Model Car Memories. And thanks for watching.